What are stems and how do you use them? Video editors are always looking for legal, great music to use when they're cutting their videos to add the right energy to the right parts of the video. But sometimes you pick a song and it's great for a lot of the video, but maybe it's too busy or too noisy, too loud for the narration, for the interview part of your video. That's where stems come in. Now you may find some music libraries and notice they offer full band mixes, but they also offer the stems. Well, the full band mix has everything. It has the drums, bass, guitar, keys, strings, atmosphere, all together in one mix. But the stem could be the isolated drums, isolated bass, or the isolated atmosphere track. Here's a song I created called Today or Tonight. Now this is the full band mix. It's energetic, it's fun, good for a lot of uses in a lot of different types of videos. But it's a little busy to use behind an interview, behind narration. So what do? I can look at the stems for this song and I can pick the stem for the atmosphere layer. Now the atmosphere layer is just a long decay of tones that fit over the top of the song to add atmosphere, exactly what it sounds like. And it's perfect for narration, it's perfect for an interview because it's not busy and it will allow the voice to carry through. So here's an example of a scene from a video for Travel to Grow where I utilize the atmosphere stem.
I felt like I was part of a family. I felt like I was loved.
Here's an example in that same video where it made sense to bring back the full band mix for a little bit of energy.
I think it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Now, the question is, why should you use stems when maybe you just can pick a different song to put behind an interview? I would say the biggest benefit of utilizing stems instead of switching songs for different types of parts and editing is you keep a consistent tone throughout the entire video. So even though the atmosphere stem for Today or Tonight is quite mellow, it's just airy and open, and the full band mix is quite energetic with all the instruments, the tone is the same, it's in the same key, and that atmosphere layer sits on top of the full band layer. So when you cut away from the full band version and you cut to the atmosphere stem, that tone is consistent. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have other questions, reach out to me directly at Indiza, SWAZiPOnd, or at Spaces in Between Productions, where we do all of this kind of stuff. We edit videos, we write our own music, we produce the music, and we are happy to help you out.